If you're currently facing disconnection issues with your Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, then this tutorial could be very helpful for you. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to go ahead and fix those issues. Now guys, the first thing that you want to do is simply click on the Windows icon here and type CMD, and you want to run this as administrator. In order to do this, you have to just simply right click on it and click run as administrator. You should get a pop-up box that asks you to allow it. You want to simply click yes, and this will open up command prompt with the administrator mode. Now guys, I'm going to share with you a few commands on the screen, and you want to go ahead and run these, and I will also put these within the description of this video as well. So what you want to do now, you want to go ahead, as I said, open up command prompt as admin, and you want to run these commands in the order that you see them here. So you want to do this netsh, and you want to do the IP reset, the winsock reset, and you also want to do ipconfig /flushdns. Now after you do this guys, all you have to do is move on to the next step. And the next thing that you want to do, just simply go ahead, click on the Windows icon again and type services, and you will see the services here. You want to go ahead and open up that. Now once services open, all you have to just click anywhere and type W, and you want to look for two services guys. You want to look for WLAN auto config, and you also want to look for W1 auto config. You want to basically open up both of them, and you want to ensure that both of these is set to automatic. Now currently you can see mine is set as manual, but you want to change these to automatic, and simply click apply, OK, and you want to do it for the WLAN as well. So both of them, as I said, you want to ensure that you set them to automatic, and then once you do this, you just simply click apply and OK. So now guys, the next thing that you want to do is just simply go ahead and right click on the Windows icon, and you want to click on device manager here. Now once you're there, you want to go ahead and you want to expand the section that says network adapters, and you should find your Wi-Fi network adapter. So all you have to do is just simply click on it. So as you can see, mine here is an Intel Wi-Fi. So you want to go ahead and right click on this, and you want to simply do update driver, and you want to do the option that says search automatically for drivers. Now what this is going to do is going to search for the best driver and the most updated driver for your computer here, and it will automatically install this for you. Now once you do that, you can just simply go ahead and close out of that, right? And the last thing that you want to do guys is just simply go ahead and click the Windows icon again, and just simply start to type in check for updates. You will find this Windows check for updates. You want to click on that, and you simply want to do a check for updates. So once this is completed, if you have any updates there for your Windows, it will automatically update it for you. And once this is completed, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and restart your computer, and that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.